Hi champs, welcome back. And again, in this video, we will continue our discussion with the fundamental concepts of chemical equation and reaction. And what we will see in this video is one example on how to go ahead and balance an equation. Now, this is not given in the book, Fe2O4, Fe3O4. Fe3O4 is iron 2,3 oxide. It's a combination of ferrous oxide and ferric oxide. It is a mineral, and this mineral is called magnetite or the magnetic oxide. This is the ore from which iron gets extracted, right? So let us first see how this gets into existence. Now, when iron hydroxide undergoes oxidation with water, it goes to produce magnetite, hydrogen and water. This again is not something which is there in the book, but this is just for your understanding. In the book, however, it is given in a simplified format, which is again interesting. Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Now the equation that is given above is the formation of magnetite, but we have simplified that, and in the book it is given as iron reacting with water gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Now this is the equation that we are going to balance. Now if you see this equation, you will easily find that in the product side oxygen is more, but in the reactant side oxygen is just one, right? So as we discussed earlier, what we'll do is we'll try to go ahead and try to balance oxygen in the first place, because that is where we find the highest imbalance, right? The difference in the number of atoms, not imbalance, difference in the number of atoms. So again, no need to put the tabulation column, just have a close observation at the equation. You find O4 in the product side, just H2O, one oxygen in the reactant side. So all you need to do is go ahead, put a 4 in the reactant side, oxygen is balanced, great. Oxygen is balanced, great. Now there's a problem. 4 into 2 of the hydrogen atom in the reactant side, 4H2. So it gives 8 hydrogen atoms, but in product side we have just one molecule of hydrogen, H2. So we need to balance that. So what we are going to do is, now we are trying to balance the hydrogen here, and when you balance hydrogen, the equation goes this way. You need to put 4 in the product side in front of the hydrogen atom. Okay, now oxygen is balanced, hydrogen is balanced. There's a problem with iron. Iron is 3 in the product side, 1 in the reactant side. Put a 3 in front of iron and you get 3Fe plus 4H2O giving Fe3O4 plus 4H2 balance. See, it's very simple. It doesn't come, for some it doesn't come. For some it comes easily. But all you need to do is practice a little. Whenever you find any equation, that's the reason I asked you to keep a rough book, rough note with you while you watch this video, so that you can write the base equation. The base equation is Fe plus H2O, which gives Fe3O4 plus H2. There are no numbers written. Write the base equation, try to use your logic, and try to balance it. The more you practice, the more confident and more comfortable you'll become, you'll be with balancing the equation. It's very interesting. Just try to practice it more. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.